Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh and I wish you a very happy Labor Day, especially to the folks who are watching in the US. So today let's discuss about Ethereum and Bitcoin and especially the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio. And we'll be covering three scenarios for Ethereum Bitcoin moving forward till January 2024. And the three scenarios are the base case, the bull case, and the bear case going forward. And this is not a price prediction, it is the ratio, that is ETH divided by BTC. And because as you can see the numbers on the scale to the left on the y-axis are in decimals, that's because this is created by dividing Ethereum's price, the Ether token's price, divided by Bitcoin price. And this can also be considered as how many what fraction of BTC can you get for selling one Ethereum token. So this chart is color coded from dark red to dark green, and this is a monthly average ratio. When the color is dark red, that means Ethereum is overvalued, and when the color with respect to Bitcoin, and when the color code is green, that means Bitcoin is overvalued with respect to Ethereum, because as you can see the trend goes in favor of Ethereum in bull market, whereas in favor of Bitcoin in bear market, at least in the last two cycles. So this is being tracked since November 2017 and till current, that is now that we are in September, the last month close that we had was in August of 2023. And this ratio has been consistently in this territory from let's say 0.005, that is almost 20 little over 20 Ethereum for one BTC to 0.008, that is 12 and a half Ethereum for one BTC ever since, and this has been the range since May of 2021. And the lows that we discovered was in June of 2022 in the middle of the bear market here, but only for the trend to go back in this territory in August. And since the merge, there has been slight decline, a low in slightly lower uh, position than in August, and then again a lower position from October in March, now again in July. Now we are below, since July we are below 0.07 territory. In August the valuation was, I think, let's go to the August scale. Yeah, so August the actual valuation was 0.063. Now let's because this is the third time we are covering this, and I plan to do this every month, this forecast ratio. The first time we had data till May of 2023, and in June we had forecasted on the channel that the valuation would be 0.069, whereas in reality, now that we're in September, we know that the monthly average valuation, and these are monthly averages, was at 0.065. So about pretty close, but about 4 point difference. In July, we had said it would be at 0.6928. The reality was 0.6299, almost 0.63. In August, this was the closest that we came in forecast. Yeah, so in August, the channel, the AI based forecast that we make on this channel had forecasted 0.61 at a monthly average. The reality was slightly bullish, 0.063. And these the color code or the Z value that we are seeing right now is 0.72. So that means right now it also in August that the Z score was positive, and that means the price is 0.72 standard deviation away from the mean to the positive side. And in terms of where it can potentially go, let's take February of 2020 As an example, the z-score, if you see, was negative 1.03. So if we go to that level now, it might be a higher valuation than before, because it's a moving target. So then at that point, it could be around the valuation that Ethereum Bitcoin had in February 2021, around 0.037 or 0.04 level. And that is just historical data, considering this trend kind of has a sinusoidal function, where it is up for some time, then equally it goes down, then comes back up. The magnitude of the sine wave is lower than before. Nonetheless, there will be some undulation in the future, and that is just historical data, and this is not backed by AI or data science. This is just tracing the price action. Now, going forward to the AI forecast, this is the base case scenario, and as you can see, it has been right sometime it has been off, especially that it was off in June and July, but in August it had kind of coincided with the actuals. So take it with a grain of salt. And then for September, this AI model, and this is not financial advice, this model has forecasted valuation of ETH BTC to be around 0.58, almost 0.59. In October, again 0.583, November 0.57, December 0.63, and January 0.62. So this is the base case for the AI model, developed using ARIMA, LSTM, and standard deviation and z-scores. This is the bull case. Moving on to the bull case, this is the theoretical ceiling, where above which the price action has a resistance to trade against. Like if it were to break out, this would be the AI based resistance levels. For August, this was at 0.63, whereas the reality was again very close to this theoretical ceiling, although it didn't breach the ceiling. So it helped create a good ceiling position. For September, this ceiling is at 0.61, where the ratio is currently trading is around 0.6. In October is again at 0.6085. In November is exactly 0.06, that is. In December, the theoretical ceiling is at 0.6065, and in January 0.064. 0.064 is the theoretical ceiling. So let's cover it again. The trend that is forecasted by the AI is from September to November be in the 0.61 to 0.061 to 0.06 territory at the ceiling, and in December and January 0.065 territory. So what could happen in a case that we encounter a recession which would be favorable for BTC, like considering the Ethereum is higher risk than BTC? In such a downturn in a recession or an extreme bear market would favor BTC, as it's a lower risk than Ethereum. In that scenario, let's move forward. It hasn't happened so far because again, we are not in a recession. But if we were in one in September, this would be the valuation for ETH BTC at around 0.037 level. October is at 0.036. So I'll skip the zeros. 37 in September, 36 in October, 35 or 36 in November, December 4.2 level, and in January 4.1 level. So this is the AI predicted forecast in case of a bear market. So just to summarize, in the base case, it's at lower value. It forecasts a lower valuation to about November at 0.57 level. In bull, it's around 0.660 level, 0.06 level. In bear markets, around 0.04 to 0.035 level. And those are the three AI based forecasts for ETH BTC ratio. So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and also check out the other Bitcoin and altcoin and Ethereum related videos covered in the channel. I have covered almost top 100 cryptos and created an AI based forecast. So I hope you like that as well, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.